Hello friends, I am Pratibha. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers for subscribing and help it to grow day by day. Thank you. Now the question is today's question is one International Maths Olympiad question. Here the question is your the function f of n is defined for all positive integers n and takes on non-negative integers values. Also, for all m and n, f of m plus n minus f of m minus f of n equals to 0 or 1. Again, it is given that f of 2 equals to 0, f of 3 greater than 0, and f of 9999 equals to 3333. Determine 1 f of 1982. So let's begin. So it is given that f of m plus n minus f of m minus f of n equals to 0 or it is 1. Or I can write this f of m plus n equals to f of m plus f of n, either it is plus 0 or f of m plus n equals to f of m plus f of n plus 1. So what type of function we can say? It is a linear function. So fn is a linear function, but it has an extra condition. That additional one is added occasionally, not always. So let us find how the pattern is, taking this f2 and f3. So f of 2 equals to 0 and f of 3 is greater than 0. And the numbers are, you can see, they are this mn are non-negative numbers, non-negative integers. That means it can be 1, it can be 2, it can be 3. So f of n is not purely linear. Now let us check the last condition that is given here. Here last information, that is f of 999, f of 9999 equals to your 3333. It is given. So if we analyze this, it may be f of n equals to n over 3 or n divided by 3. F of n equals to n divided by 3, so that I am getting f of 9999 equals to your 999 by 3. That will be 3333. But if you will check here f of 2, it should be 2 over 3. It's not equal to 0. It is a fractional part. That means it may be a 2 by 3, 0 is coming out. That means it must be greatest integer function. because 2 over 3 latest integer function, or we read as floor 2 by 3 equals to your 0. You can take integer part 0 out of this. So this condition is holds good now. So what is the function? F of n equals to floor n by 3. Now what is f of 3? F of 3 equals to 3 by 3 floor is your 1. Certainly it is greater than 0. So this also satisfied, this condition is satisfied. So we define now, that means we checked, verified. So this will be floor n over 3, rated integer n by 3. So now it is easy for calculation. Question is given f of 1982. So I'll write 1982 divided by 3 and the integer part of this, that means the quotient part. So it is, if we divide this, it gives us 666.6 so on. So what will the answer? Answer is 666. We'll write that f of 1982 equals to 666. So I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching.